What power does a single tax assessor have over a community's taxes? Imagine a person whose job is to decide how much your property is worth for tax purposes. That person is the tax assessor. Their main power is to figure out the assessed value of each property in their area. This value is based on what the property could sell for in the open market. The assessor then applies a set percentage, called an assessment ratio, to this market value. For example, in some places, residential properties are assessed at 10% of their market value. This assessed value becomes the base for calculating property taxes. The assessor's role is to make sure these property values are fair and consistent across the community. They may use different methods to estimate property values, like comparing similar properties or looking at recent sales. After they do their calculations, they might also apply a state or local adjustment called an equalization factor. This helps make sure that properties are taxed fairly, no matter where they are in the community. While the assessor does not decide the actual tax rates, that is done by local government bodies. They influence how much tax each property owner pays. If the assessed value of a property goes up and the tax rate stays the same, the property owner will pay more in taxes. If the assessed value drops, the taxes will decrease too. So, the assessor's work directly impacts the size of your property tax bill. The assessor also manages exemptions, which can lower your taxable value. For example, a homestead exemption might reduce the assessed value of your primary residence. They also handle appeals if a property owner believes their assessment is too high. If you think your property was overvalued, you can contest it through the assessor's office. In summary, the power of a single tax assessor is centered on assigning property values that determine how much tax is owed. They do not set tax rates or collect taxes directly, but their assessments influence the total revenue the community can raise and how that tax burden is shared. Their role is vital to keeping the property tax system fair, transparent, and based on accurate property valuations.